Today we're breaking down one of the most common causes of weird transmission behavior, a failing shift solenoid. If your car is shifting late, shifting hard, or not shifting at all, this tiny component might be the reason. Let's go through the symptoms, what causes them, and how you can diagnose the problem before it becomes a major repair. What a shift solenoid does. Inside an automatic transmission, shift solenoids control the flow of transmission fluid. They open and close based on signals from the transmission control module, allowing the transmission to select the right gear at the right time. When one of these solenoids sticks, clogs, or fails electrically, fluid pressure becomes inconsistent. And that's when the symptoms start showing up. Symptom number 1. Delayed or rough shifts. One of the earliest signs of a bad shift solenoid is delayed or rough shifting. You might feel the car hesitate before changing gears, or the shift might hit harder than normal. This happens because the solenoid isn't regulating fluid pressure correctly, so the transmission struggles to engage the next gear smoothly. Symptom number 2. Failure to shift. If a solenoid gets stuck open or closed, the transmission may refuse to shift altogether. The engine revs, but the gear never changes. This is a strong sign that fluid isn't reaching the components that need it. Symptom number 3. Limp mode. Modern vehicles often enter limp mode when the computer detects a solenoid issue. The transmission may lock itself into one gear, usually second or third, to prevent further damage. That you'll often see a check engine light, and scanning the car may reveal codes related to shift solenoids. Common causes. Shift solenoids can fail for a few reasons. Electrical issues like damaged wiring or corroded connectors, dirty or burnt transmission fluid that clogs the solenoid, wear and tear inside the valve body. Contaminated fluid is one of the biggest culprits, especially if the transmission hasn't been serviced regularly. Diagnosing the problem. A failing solenoid often triggers diagnostic trouble codes, usually in the P0750 to P0770 range. Using an OBD2 scanner can help confirm whether the issue is electrical or mechanical. Sometimes, a simple fluid change can help if the problem is caused by contamination, but a damaged solenoid will need to be replaced. Repair costs. Replacing a shift solenoid can cost anywhere from around $150 to over $1,000 depending on the vehicle. Some cars use individual solenoids, while others use a full solenoid pack, which is more expensive. Catching the issue early can save you from much bigger transmission repairs later. A bad shift solenoid can mimic major transmission failure, but the fix is often simpler than people think. If you're noticing rough shifts, delayed shifts, or limp mode, don't ignore it. Diagnosing the solenoid early can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.